Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I have come with a very popular recipe from West Bengal, a state in the eastern part of India. It is known as Ghugni, which is a curry that is made using dried yellow peas. For making Ghugni, we need dried yellow peas which are sold as yellow or white vatana at Indian grocery stores. You can even get it online, but if you do not get them, then please try this same recipe using chickpeas. Problem solved. No excuses for not making it, so now let's get started. Soak about 1 cup of dried yellow peas in a good amount of water. Add about a tablespoon of salt and allow it to stand for 8 hours or overnight. The next day, remember to drain all that water before cooking. If you forget to drain that water and cook the peas in that water, then it will be a total disaster, as your curry will be tasting horribly salty. I even give a quick rinse with some fresh water one more time. Now I will be using my pressure cooker to cook the peas, but you can even cook them in a pot. It will take double the time than a pressure cooker, but it will eventually get done. No worries. Pressure cooker out. In goes the yellow peas. Then I chose the largest potato from my potato basket, peeled and washed it. That goes in and sits on the throne of yellow peas. I added about 3 cups of hot water. Then a little bit of turmeric powder and about half a teaspoon of salt. While that's getting cooked, let's move on to the rest of the prep. Here I have taken 2 ripe tomatoes, 2 fat cloves of garlic, a knob of ginger and a kacha lonka, that is green chili in Bengali. Everything parades into the blender and you need to blend into a smooth puree. Then we need to make a spice blend. Pan over low heat. The spices go in one by one. Cumin seeds, coriander seeds, 1 dry red chili from which I have taken out all the seeds, but if you love that heat, then do not even bother to take out the seeds. We also need a cinnamon stick, green cardamoms and cloves. All dive into the pan. Stir them constantly on very low heat till they turn fragrant. But do not roast them for a very long time, as they will become bitter and will make your curry bitter. As soon as you see them turning a shade darker in color, take the pan off heat and pour them out into a bowl. Once they cool down, grind them in a spice or a coffee grinder or a mortar and pestle. We are looking for a coarse grind like this. Next, we need to make a spice paste. In a bowl, add turmeric powder, ground coriander, Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can even use paprika if you want to avoid the heat. Add about 5 tablespoons of water, mix, and your spice paste is ready. Let's now go back to the yellow peas. After 20 minutes of pressure cooking, I allowed all the pressure to be released naturally. Mr. Potato is the first one to step out. And my goodness, it looks more like a pillow than a potato on my screen. As you can see, the peas have become buttery soft. Cut the potatoes into small bite-sized pieces. We will now start cooking. Pot on medium-high heat. Oil. Once the oil starts shimmering, add finely chopped onions. Add a sprinkle of salt and stir the onions on medium-high heat till they soften down considerably. Now here comes the best part. You do not have to brown the onions for this recipe. A golden brown color along the edges will be good enough. And I heard you giving a big sigh of relief, like phew, thank goodness she didn't tell us today to be patient with those onions. Okay, next the spice paste goes in, along with that rinsed out last bit of bowl goodness. Stir for a minute on medium-low heat. The blended tomato puree then joins the party, along with the rinsed out blender goodness. Keep it on medium-high heat and stir it frequently for a few minutes. The mixture is now giving a dry kind of look, so Mr. Potato goes in. Then yellow peas tumble down with all their golden glory. Add salt, but keep in mind you had even added salt while cooking the peas. Do a taste test and adjust the seasonings. It needs a little more salt and then sugar to balance the flavors. And being a person from West Bengal, I love to add sugar to all my curries, whether you like it or not. You can add more water if you want it more soupy. For me, this looks perfect. As soon as it comes up to a boil, cover it on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. 4 minutes done, lid off. The aromatic spice blend goes in to perfume the dish, followed by coriander leaves, of course. You can have this with roti, puris, or even some toasted bread. I like having it with rice, as that makes me more happy. Sprinkle some chopped onions on top, along with a dash of lemon or lime juice, and enjoy. Please smash that like button if you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see more recipes like this, then please click on the video showing up on the screen. Bye bye.